The Sony Xperia XZ1 is surely the first mainstream mobile to offer this attribute, and when Monday's launch event is any sign, Sony is betting heavily on the 3D scanner to broaden the appeal of this smartphone. If 3D scanning does not interest you, then the back camera of this smartphone packs lots of other things to create an impression. It keeps the 960 fps slow-motion catch seen in a number of other recent Sony tablets and asserts to improve upon the predictive capture with face expression quality that intends to capture the ideal moment in case your shooting abilities are off with a fraction of a moment. In terms of specifications, the Sony Xperia XZ1 has all you would expect from a flagship: Snapdragon 835 SoC, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, expandable up to 256GB, along with a 13-megapixel front camera, all supported by a 2700 mAh battery. A wonderful touch is about the plan side, as the Xperia XZ1 currently packs a metallic unibody with what Sony is calling a premium loop surface design. It is a welcome refinement of this Xperia design language, along with the smartphone feels a bit more superior than its predecessors. The smartphone is IP65/68 water resistant, and India version includes dual SIM support in addition to a fingerprint sensor embedded within the power button on the right side. Another major highlight of this Xperia XZ1 is that the 5.2-inch HDR display, a feature that is still not that common even on flagship tablets. As a consequence, that you may see latest content from the likes of Netflix in its entire glory. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 by Corning.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.